Oh my God. I totally had to drive a whole hour and like 45 minutes to go get my hair retwisted in Hayward. But it was like totally worth it. Do you see these views? Like, yeah, like so beautiful. Oh my God. Bridge, yes, beautiful, gorgeous. Yes, 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 yes. Get me there safely. Thank you, universe. On my way. Pulling up very shortly. Oh, yes. Do you see the salon? Vibe Hair Salon. It's fire. So freaking cute. And I was looking cute out the inside. Oh my God. Like, it's so cute in there. It's like my favorite place. Oh my gosh. And Ty, she's the best. Like, period. The best hairstylist. Anyways, so I got my detox. You see the baking powder and the lemons and the apple cider vinegar water. Yes, you see me relaxing, minding my business as usual. Anyways, this was like so relaxing and it felt so amazing. Like I literally was about to fall asleep. You see how she's just like making love to my hair with her hands? Like, yeah, she got a good scrub in there, period. Use them lemons, honey. Yes, detox all of the negativity, all of the dirt. Take it all away because I don't need it anymore. Going down the drain. Oh my gosh, yes, those hands are like heaven sent. An angel. Mm-hmm. I think I was sleeping at this point. Am I sleeping? I think so. Oh, this is like the best part. Like just having somebody else wash your hair just feels like so amazing. Oh my God, get in there. Yes. Get in there. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yes. It's like amazing. I'm ready to go back already. Like seriously, I'm about to call her right now because yes, I need this treatment like every day. Like now. And she just takes her time with it, you know? She just takes her whole time. Like, you know, nothing in the world matters but my hair in that moment. And I just love it so much. Yes, wash it all away. And she got every last piece of soap. You feel me? Like every last piece of stud is gone. Period. And then she washes it multiple times. It's like, girl. Yes, very worth it. Worth every penny. You feel me? Mm-hmm. Get all up in there. I actually do wash a little. Oh my God, that TikTok lives rent free in my head. Oh my goodness. This is like ASMR, but like for like getting your hair washed. What would you call that? I don't know. But, anyways, look at how long my locks have grown, guys. Like, oh my God, I still can't believe it's been a year. It has officially been a year since I locked my hair. And this is my first detox, and the experience was amazing. And I love the way she retwists because it doesn't feel heavy afterwards. It's like light and free and flowy. Is flowy a word? I don't know. But yes, girl, get in there. Yes. Slay, honey. Twist that. Twist, 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 twist. Yes, 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 yes. She is like so talented. I look like I'm so over it because I'm like so exhausted. But, anyways, I'm still enjoying the moment, you know? Mm-hmm. We almost done. We almost done. We almost done. Yes, yes, yes. Then you can slay, honey. Very much slay. Yes. Oh, falling asleep. Oh, back up. Oh, sleep. Okay, yanking my head a little bit, honey. But yeah, anyways, yes. Swoop them baby hairs. Period. You gotta have the baby hairs on ready to go. Like TTG, trained to go. Come on. Baby hairs on fleek, on swim. Waves on swim, so they hate on him. Period. Do you see the length though? Do you see the length? I know you see it. I know you see it. I know you see it. I got a weird shaped head.